Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your settings app. From here scroll down a bit, then go to display. From here scroll down again. Here you can see Edge panel option, then tap on it. Now just tap here to enable Edge panel, and you can see in my phone Edge panel is enabled. Now if you tap on panels, here you can see so many tasks and you can add this task on each panel. If I select music, reminder and tools and then go back, now if you open your Edge panel, here you can see your tasks. If you want to customize your Edge panel, just go to handle option. Now from here you can customize your Edge panel. From here you can change your Edge panel position, and from here you can change your Edge panel color, transparency, size and width. And that is how you can enable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.